Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is iOS is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is iOS? iOS, formerly iPhone OS, is a mobile operating system developed by Apple exclusively for its smartphones. It was unveiled in January 2007 for the first generation iPhone. Launched in June 2007, iOS commercial logo as used by Apple since 2017. Home screen in iOS 17, the most recent version. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is iOS is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.